We recently installed this great looking front splitter from Rally Innovations on our 2011 Mustang GT. Today we're going to continue that theme by installing their matching side splitters. These Rally Innovations side splitters will be a perfect match to the front splitter that we already installed. Now in the case of these will fit your 2005 through 2014 Mustang. They're made of the same 11 gauge aluminum with a matte black finish, and again made right here in the USA. These are going to install on the sides of the car, will require drilling, but include all necessary hardware for installation. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands or ramps, 3/8 ratchet, 5/32 Allen key, 3/16 Allen key, small or right angle Phillips screwdriver, drill, 5/16 drill bit, and a marker. All right, to install the side splitters, we need access to the bottom of our factory plastic rocker. To do so, remove the screw back here and then all the plastic clips. Now we're going to splitter up into place here. Basically what we want to do here is line it up with the back and the front edge here push into the pinch weld. Now that we have everything lined up, we're going to drill some holes. And what we'll probably have to do is take the splitter off and drill them all the way out. At least we can get them started so we know where the holes are going to be. Okay, now we're just gonna pop off our clips here. So move it out of the way and drill out the holes. Okay, we're gonna start now with the rearmost hole here. You will probably get some gravel out of these if you've ever driven on a dirty road. Washer, lock washer, and nut. And just get it hand tight for now. All right, now we'll do one sort of in the middle here. Now we'll throw one here towards the front. And then go back through and install the rest of the nuts and bolts. Okay, now they're all installed, we'll go back through and tighten them up. Okay, everything bolted on, we're going to reinstall the screw in the rear here. All right, now we can reinstall the push pins we removed earlier. All right, then repeat the process on the other side and your installation's finished. Our Rally Innovations side splitters match the front perfectly and tie in really well with the factory body line without being too flashy. The installation install is pretty straightforward. I'd say about an hour or so and you'll be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.